ordered this wallpaper from Hometales. If you're a first time user, you can use code YouTube and you can get up to 100 rupees off. Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. And today I'm gonna do a makeover after almost a year and I'm really excited about it. So let's begin.
Now let me show you the space. So this is my dining space. As you move towards the rooms, there is this hallway. So I have done the entire apartment's makeover except this hallway. We bought the apartment about 11 years ago and since then this area is as is. No changes at all. As you can see, there's no light fixture, the walls are in a bad shape, lots of cracks and crevices, stains and spots. And opposite to this wall is this wash basin area. No light fixture here as well, and it's all plain and basic. Nothing interesting here. Moreover, the towel hanger just fell off this morning, so I have to fix this as well. There is no cabinet under the basin, so I have to get it made too. Also, this tap is crying for help, so either I'll salvage it or just replace it.
So the first step was to choose the decor style. As much as I love traditional Indian decor style, this time I wanted to explore something new, something different. So I went ahead with MCM, which is mid-century modern style. And I'm not an interior designer, but in my understanding, MCM is when retro marries modern. So I'll have the opportunity to mix retro and modern elements together, which is fantastic.
Here's the image that I edited so that I have a fair idea of what all I have to do.
Alright, so the plan is that I'm gonna paint these walls in white color and I'll cover this wall with wallpaper. Also the wallpaper will conceal this MCB box. As you can see, there are no light fixtures here. So what I'm planning to do is that I'll buy one and I'll DIY the second one. Also, I'll remove this glass shelf.
To prepare the wall for wallpaper, I filled the cracks, crevices and holes in the wall with wall putty. Then I painted the walls white.
And while the paint was drying, I got to making the DIY. And a DIY becomes super fun and interesting when you transform something old and not so functional into something completely different and super functional. And now I'm going to DIY the ceiling lamp and I'll do that using this decorative board cage. So it has been lying with me for about 5-6 years now, and since then I just couldn't find the right place for it. First I'll just paint it black.
Alright, I have given it a coat of varnish. I then fixed the lamp kit and it's now time to hang it.
It wasn't easy to hang it because the electric fitting that I have bought is actually a standalone fitting and there is nothing inside this bracket that can be attached to the ceiling. So what I have done here is I have made a loop of wire here and then tightened it. The extra wiring is here, kept inside this bracket, and here goes the bracket like this.
Yoo-hoo, look at this. Doesn't it look interesting?
Now for the second statement light, I bought it online. It sure looks mid-century modern and it has added to the aesthetics and it's super functional too. Now, selecting the right wallpaper was critical because it will likely prove the make it or break it move. So I ordered this wallpaper from Hometales. Hometales is Stella Rose's own premium kitchenware and home decor brand. If you're a first time user, you can use code YouTube and you can get up to 100 rupees off. Also look at the quality of this wallpaper. It doesn't look glossy, it isn't flimsy and it doesn't tear easily. I absolutely loved the premium quality of this wallpaper. अब इसे मंगवा तो लिया है Hometales से. Let's see कि इसे hang करना आसान है या नहीं. Alright, so the easiest way to stick self-adhesive wallpaper is to take out about 2 cm backing and then stick this part on the wall
and then just keep removing this backing like this. Here you go. One best thing about this wallpaper, that even if you make mistakes or there are some wrinkles, then too you won't be able to notice it because of the print. There are actually some wrinkles here, but you won't be able to notice it. The print is just amazing. It's so trendy, so modern. Win-win situation. Okay, so now I'll show you what I'm gonna do here to conceal this MCB box. So here's the MCB box, right? And I'm gonna stick the wallpaper here, and then I'll just make slits here so that it is easier to open the MCB box. This is the edge of MCB box door, and here I'm gonna make the slit like so. So it will go all the way from this side to this side and then this side. I'm so happy with this wallpaper. It has added chic urban feel to the space.
Don't forget to check out Hometales. Now let's move on to the next step. The wallpaper is done. Now let's move on to the other section of this space, which is wash basin area.
So as I stated earlier, I removed the glass shelves from the wall. After removing the glass shelves, I realized that there will be these ugly holes here, but never mind, I have something really nice in mind. Earlier I had planned to use floor stickers on the floor to define this area, but then I ditched the idea as it wasn't functional.
Now to conceal these holes, I have a really amazing idea. I'm gonna stick this floor sticker which matches with the wallpaper really well. So I'm gonna stick it here and let's see how it's gonna look.
It's giving perfect retro vibes, isn't it?
Now it was time to select the kind of lighting I wanted for the space.
So here's what I did. I fixed 3 different types of bulbs: warm Edison bulb, warm white LED bulb and cool white LED bulb. Then I kept Edison bulb on and put off the other 2, and then I repeated this step for the other 2 bulbs too. I liked warm white the best, so here we go.
Now the trickiest part. I'm gonna spray paint this faucet gold. Let's see whether it works or not. So the surface is completely covered and now I'm gonna spray paint it.
Then I spray painted tall hanger too so that everything looks coordinated. Alright, so I have given it a second coat of gold spray paint, and once it dries I'm gonna spray it with acrylic varnish.
While I was stacking installing all this, my carpenter made the wash basin cabinet and fixed it.
Laminate here blends well with washed grey wallpaper and the entire look is cohesive.
Now that everything is done, let's style the space. First I wanted to go with the floor stickers, but then I realized that MCM is all about functionality. So I opted for a runner instead, and the runner has tied together the entire look.
And here is a set of soap dispenser, vase and tumbler with marble effect in black and gold. So more MCM vibes.
Are you ready for the final reveal? Hold your breath. Here we go. Hope you liked the makeover. What's your favorite part? Tell me in the comments below, and also let me know what you want to see the next makeover, a DIY, painting tutorial, or a small business idea. That's all for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.